Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your Microsoft Edge load faster. Okay, let's start. First is you need to open your Microsoft Edge. And once you open that, just have to go to the upper right side of your screen. As you can see, it has these three dots here containing settings and more. Just simply hit that and then scroll down to go for settings. Once you are being redirected to the settings, just simply go to the left side of your screen and then scroll down, then go for system and performance. Here you need to look for proxy settings. Okay, just have to click this arrow icon here and then it will redirect you to this new window. And here you need to make sure that this automatic proxy setup is on and this use setup script is off. Okay, so might as well here at the manual proxy setup, make sure that this is off because once you turn this on, your browsing will take slow. Okay, so after that, just simply close this and look for privacy search and services here. Click that and then simply scroll down. Then under this delete browsing data, go for clear browsing data now and then click this choose what to clear. Here, just have to mark this browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. So in my case, if I'll delete this or if I'll clear this now, my disk space will free up to 132 MB size. Okay? So after that, let's go to the last step, which is to locate this three dots again. Click that and then go for extensions. And then go to manage extensions. And here you need to make sure that other sources are removed. I mean, there are some sources that will force you to make it as your extension and let's say you accidentally clicked OK on that and then you need to look for installed extensions here and you need to remove that. Okay, so those are the steps, the important steps on how to make your browsing experience in MS Edge faster. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Might as well share this video to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.